Hi, friends. Okay, we made it. It is our last day of online learning. Yay! Which means that next week I get to see you guys in our classroom again, and we get to do all the fun stuff that we always get to do when we're together and when we're at school. But I do have one really fun thing for you to do this afternoon. It is a science experiment, and all you need is a bunch of pencils or pencil crayons. They have to be sharp. So if they're not, you need a pencil sharpener and you need to sharpen them because that part is important. And you need a plastic Ziploc bag and some water. And Miss Lee and I made a video of how to do this. And what you're going to do is you're going to fill that Ziploc bag with water. And then you're going to see what happens when you stab a pencil all the way through it. Do you think it's just going to like explode everywhere? Is the water going to stay in? Is it going to drip out? How many pencils do you think we can get into one Ziploc bag filled with water? So this is a really fun one. It's a little bit of a messy one. You might get wet, but like I always say at school, it's all good. We're not made of sugar. We're not going to melt from a little bit of water. So you need to gather your supplies and you need to do this one outside. Luckily, the weather is beautiful to go outside and do this one. And you'll see in the video that I even got splashed a little bit with some water and I got a little bit on my boots, but I was still in one piece. It was all good. So I hope you really enjoy this one and make sure that you guys like take a video of you doing it and send it to me so I can see how yours worked out too. Okay, can't wait to see. Bye, guys. Okay, my friends. So I'm in the bathroom. I've got my Ziploc bag. It's just a small one. I guess if you're really feeling brave today, you could do one of the giant ones. I wasn't feeling that brave. So we are using a small Ziploc bag. Make sure it has no holes in it. And here's the thing, you need to hold it in the sink while you're doing it. Maybe ask mom and dad for a little bit of help with this part. It might get slippery and you might need help like zipping the bag shut because sometimes it gets a little bit tricky, and you might want a towel too because you might need to wipe your bag off so it's not too slippery to hold after. Otherwise it's really hard when you're sticking the pencils in it. Okay, so here's how we're going to do it. You're not going to turn the water on fast, nice and slow. You're going to open your Ziploc bag, make sure it's in the sink, okay? Here, I'll aim it at it. Now, we're going to turn on the water, not too fast, and we're going to start filling it up. And we actually really want it to be like pretty much all the way full. So check it out. It can hold water, no problem. So we're going to keep filling it up here all the way to the top. So keep your eye on it. But if we do it too fast with the water like pouring out, it might like pull it out of our hands. Also, it keeps getting heavier and heavier because water is pretty heavy actually. So if it's getting heavy, you can always rest it in the sink. And don't worry if you drop it, because look at the worst thing that happens. It splashes a little bit and it's no big deal. You just try it again. But we're going to try really careful to keep all that water in the sink. Okay, I'm getting it all the way till it's all the way at the top here. It's almost there. Almost there. Look. Okay. Hold on, I gotta turn the water off. Okay. Look how full it is. Okay. So now rest it down super carefully. And like I said, you might want a little bit of help with this part. And you're gonna slowly squeeze it shut with the water inside. This part is a little tricky sometimes. Oh, some of my water, I think I overfilled it. It's kind of squishing out a little bit. But look, there we go. And I'm going to run my finger over it again to make sure it's all the way closed. And then I'm going to use a towel to make sure it's dry because I have to carry it now. And if it's wet and I'm carrying it, it might slip out of my hands. And do you want to know what happens when a bag full of water slips out of your hands? It explodes on the ground. So here's the deal. You got to get outside now, and you need to get outside without dropping your bag of water. So may I recommend carrying it very carefully. You don't even need the towel because I dried it off, so it's really not so slippery now. But I'm not just going to hold it with like one finger because then I might drop it. I'm really carefully going to hold it with two hands, and I'm going to walk outside. I will meet you outside so that you can see what happens next in our experiment. Okay, friends, I've got my bag of water. I did not spill it in the hallway, thank goodness. And I've got all my sharpened pencils ready to go. Okay, we're gonna go outside the front of the school and we are gonna show you our experiment. Here we go. Okay, I'm coming out. Let's go in front here. Do you want to come out this way and then I'll,
Yep.
Then they can see our little sign?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna take my mask off for a minute so that you can hear me, okay? So watch what we're gonna do. I have my bag of water, I have my sharpened pencils. What do you think is going to happen? Uh-oh, my bag's coming open, Miss Light. Okay, I got it. Phew, that was almost a disaster. What do you think is gonna happen when I stick a pencil into my bag of water? Are you ready to find out? Okay, here we go. Miss Lee, are we zoomed in?
We are zoomed in, Mrs.
Okay,
Burnett.
hold on. I feel like this bag is gonna open again. It's okay, my coat is waterproof, guys. We're all good. Okay, I'm gonna hold it. Hold on, it's wet. This is very tricky, Miss Lee. Okay. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna hold it like this, and I'm gonna stick my pencil through. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey! Oh no! Oh, Miss Lee, we gotta do it again.
Okay. Okay, I'm deleting this.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to take my mask off so you can hear me a little bit better and I'm outside. So, I made sure my hands were dry because it's hard to hold a bag that is wet. See, I even brought some paper towel. So I'm gonna dry it off. Make sure it's nice and dry because I have to hold on to it super tight, you guys. Okay, here we go. I'll pick that up after. Okay, now, I am going to start stabbing pencils. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Miss Lee, are you ready?
I'm
now,
ready.
don't worry. This isn't going to ruin anybody's pencils. They're just going to get wet and they'll dry again. What do we think is going to happen? Here we are. Are we zoomed in, Miss Lee?
We're zoomed in.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Ready? Can I do another one? Hey! Can I do another one? How many do you think I can get in here? I do have a small leak. I don't know why this one wants to leak on me. Okay, let's keep going. I got 3, 4, 5. How many can I get? 6.
I gave you 50.
You gave me 50?
Yes, you're at
Okay,
6.
let's see. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I can't really see where I'm sticking them through to. 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, that one went crazy.
Woo!
19, 20. Can I get more?
I think so.
Do you think so? Okay, 20, 21, 22. I think I might be springing some leaks now.
Okay. 22.
22 is not bad. Should I pull the ball? Okay, should I pull them out?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Stand back, you don't want to get the water everywhere.
job, Mrs. Cornett.
Okay, well, we have a very holy bag and all of our water's out now. Okay, I want you guys to try this at home. It's super easy. You could use pencils, or you could sharpen pencil crayons and use them too. They would work really well too. But like, I don't think a felt would work. And I don't think a crayon would work, but I mean, hey, you're being scientists today, so I mean, try whatever you want to try. But all you need is a Ziploc bag, some water, and please don't do this inside your houses. Go outside. It's actually really nice out here. And try and see how many pencils you can stab through that bag and still have water in it. Okay, good luck, my friends. See you later.